Welcome to a deep dive into the life and role of a software engineering manager. In the fast-paced world of software development, the engineering manager plays a critical role, a conductor orchestrating a symphony of code and collaboration. This video aims to unravel the complexities and challenges of this role, shedding light on the daily responsibilities, tasks, and obstacles these professionals encounter. From strategic planning to quality assurance, from onboarding new talent to resolving conflicts, the software engineering manager wears many hats, each essential to the successful execution of a project. They are the bridge between technical and non-technical teams, the mentors guiding their team towards growth, and the leaders making tough decisions under pressure. As we navigate this exploration, we'll uncover the intricacies of this role, providing insights that can inform and inspire both current and aspiring engineering managers. So hold on to your seats as we embark on this journey. Let's begin by defining what a software engineering manager does. A software engineering manager is not just a glorified coder. This statement underlines the fundamental distinction between an individual contributor, who primarily writes code, and a manager, who oversees the bigger picture. As one transitions from a software engineer to a software engineering manager, the focus shifts from merely creating software to guiding a team that does it. It's not about how fast you can code or how many programming languages you know. It's about leading, inspiring, and managing a group of engineers to work together, meet deadlines, and produce high-quality software. It's about making strategic decisions, resolving conflicts, and facilitating communication between technical and non-technical stakeholders. In essence, the role of a software engineering manager is more about people and less about code. Now that we understand what a software engineering manager is, let's look at their key responsibilities. A software engineering manager wears many hats, and each of these hats represents a key responsibility that is fundamental to the role. Let's walk through them, shall we? First up, we have strategic planning. This involves aligning the team's goals with the broader company objectives and setting the technological direction. It's about looking at the big picture, visualizing the path ahead, and guiding the team towards it. Next, there's team building. This is not just about hiring and onboarding, but also about mentoring and fostering growth within the team. A good manager knows that a strong, cohesive team is the backbone of any successful project. Then there's the task of resource allocation. This involves managing budgets, time, and team members effectively to meet project goals. It's like a complex jigsaw puzzle, making sure all the pieces fit together to form a complete picture. Quality assurance is another crucial responsibility. This means overseeing the delivery of high-quality software and ensuring adherence to best practices. It's about ensuring that the team's output is not just good but great. Communication with stakeholders is another key aspect. This involves liaising between the technical team and other departments, ensuring clear communication of technical concepts and requirements. It's like being a translator, bridging the gap between tech speak and business language. Performance evaluation is also part of the job. This involves conducting reviews, providing feedback, and facilitating professional growth for team members. It's about helping each individual reach their full potential. Technical leadership is another hat the manager wears. This means staying updated with the latest technologies, guiding the team in architectural decisions, and sometimes diving deep into technical issues. It's about leading by example and inspiring innovation. Finally, there's conflict resolution. This involves addressing and mediating interpersonal conflicts within the team and ensuring a healthy working environment. It's about maintaining harmony and fostering a positive team culture. These responsibilities translate into a variety of daily tasks. A software engineering manager's day is filled with a variety of tasks. Let's walk through them. First, stand-up meetings. These are short, usually daily team meetings where each member quickly discusses what they've been working on and any immediate concerns. It's a fast way to share updates and catch potential issues early. Next, there are one-on-one meetings. These are personalized check-ins with individual team members. They tend to be less about work updates and more about personal development, feedback, and addressing any specific issues or concerns. Then comes project management. As a software engineering manager, you're overseeing project timelines, milestones, and deliverables. You're keeping an eye on the big picture, ensuring everything is on track. Emails and communication fill a significant portion of the day. Addressing concerns, liaising with other departments, and ensuring clear and open channels of communication is critical. It's not just about responding to emails, but also about crafting clear, concise, and effective messages. Sometimes, software engineering managers conduct technical reviews. This could mean reviewing code, architectural designs, or helping troubleshoot challenging issues. Even though you're a manager, you're still very much involved in the technical aspects. Planning and strategy sessions are a regular part of the job too. You're involved in both short-term planning, like setting up sprints, and long-term strategy, like aligning team goals with company objectives. Lastly, training and learning. The tech industry is always evolving, so staying updated is crucial. This might involve reading industry news, attending webinars, or even facilitating learning sessions for your team. So there you have it: stand-up meetings, one-on-ones, project management, emails and communication, technical reviews, planning and strategy, and training and learning. These are the main tasks that fill a software engineering manager's day. Of course, with such a wide-ranging role, there are bound to be challenges. Being a software engineering manager is not without its challenges. Imagine a tightrope walker, balancing with careful precision. This is the first challenge: maintaining equilibrium between technical prowess and managerial duties. As a software engineering manager, one must stay abreast of latest technologies, but also lead a team with empathy and strategic vision. It's like walking a tightrope, where a slight shift in focus can topple the entire balance. The second challenge lies in dealing with underperformance. It's an uncomfortable situation that requires tact and sensitivity. The goal is not to reprimand, but to understand the root cause and provide support. Is it a lack of skills, or perhaps personal issues affecting work? These delicate conversations are a test of a manager's leadership and people skills. Next, we have the perpetual race against time. Time management is a significant challenge. A software engineering manager juggles various responsibilities, from overseeing project timelines and deliverables to conducting one-on-one meetings and liaising with other departments, all while keeping an eye on the bigger strategic picture. It's a constant balancing act of prioritizing tasks and ensuring projects stay on track. Finally, the tech industry is a dynamic beast, evolving at a rapid pace. Adapting to these changes is a critical challenge. As a manager, you're not just navigating these waters yourself, but also guiding your team through them. It requires a mix of agility, foresight, and resilience to ensure your team stays relevant and competitive in this fast-paced environment. Overcoming these challenges requires a blend of technical acumen, leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Yes, it's a tough role, but remember, diamonds are formed under pressure. And the reward? The satisfaction of seeing your team succeed, your projects come to life, and your strategic decisions driving the company forward. Despite these challenges, being a software engineering manager can be a rewarding career. So there you have it, a deep dive into the life and role of a software engineering manager. We've journeyed through the intricate landscape of this multifaceted role, shedding light on its undeniable importance in the software development lifecycle. We started by defining the role of a software engineering manager, distinguishing it from an individual contributor's role. We emphasized how the transition from software engineer to manager involves a significant shift in focus, requiring a broader perspective and a greater emphasis on people and project management. Next, we explored the key responsibilities of a software engineering manager. From strategic planning and team building to resource allocation and quality assurance, these responsibilities are diverse and demanding. We also touched on the importance of effective stakeholder communication, performance evaluation, technical leadership, and conflict resolution. We then dived into the daily tasks that occupy a manager's schedule. These include stand-up meetings, individual check-ins, project management, emails and communication, technical reviews, planning and strategy sessions, and continuous learning and development. Finally, we acknowledge the challenges that come with this role. Balancing technical and managerial duties, handling underperformance, managing time effectively, and adapting to rapid changes in the tech industry are all part of the job. In sum, the role of a software engineering manager is a challenging yet rewarding one. It demands a blend of technical expertise, managerial skills, strategic thinking, and a dash of diplomacy. A good manager is not just a leader, but a mentor, a facilitator, and a team player. They are the linchpin that holds the team together, guiding them towards their goals and fostering a productive, positive environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the life of a software engineering manager.